You're so happy. You're so happy. Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. Say cheese. I can't with you. Good morning. I am dying. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night to everybody. I'm starting off the morning right this morning with my back to my workout. It feels so good. Hey baby. Back to my workout routine. It feels so good to start the morning off right with my workout before I get my day started. Ooh, it's hot in here. So I just did my run and I'm about to get some abs in. Hey, say good morning to the peeps. Say good morning. You want to say good morning? Look at him. Say good morning. Tyler. Baby. He's watching TV. I'm getting this workout in. and then I have some meal prepping to do. I have some food to make for Tyler and some little stuff to do around the house. So yeah, that's what's up today. Hubby's already off to work, so you guys won't see him until later. So I'm gonna get this workout done and I'll talk to you guys later. Tyler, how did you get inside there? Ty? Papa? Tyler, I didn't put you in there. Tyler, how did you reach in the walker? Ty? Baby? Look at mommy. Tyler? Papa, how did you get in there? Say cheese. Say cheese. How did you get in there, Tyler? Look, one of your foot is down. One of your foot is in and one is not. Because mommy did not put you there. Papa, you're just playing away. Hi guys, how are y'all doing? Oh, my face looks oily. It's a beautiful day today and we're home, waiting on hubby to get home. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Today is match. Today is the semi-finals of the European Championship between France and Germany. So I'm so looking forward to that tonight. So we're gonna get the barbecue out and we're gonna get some food done. Hubby should have one of his friends coming over. So we should be having guests later when this little one is already will be long off to bed, because come 8 he'll be out with no turning back. Where are you off to? Where are you off to? No, come here. No. No, You can't go outside. No, I'm gonna close that. No, no, no. No. Come. He's mad. Look at yourself crying. Come on. Come on. Come on. He wants to go outside and I don't let him, so he's mad at me. Why are you crying, love? Look at you. Look at you. You see yourself? You see yourself crying? Look. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. You're a little trickster. You're a little trickster. Yes, you're a little trickster. You're a little trickster. Oh. So I'm prepping some food to get done later. We're going to do some potatoes in the oven and put some chicken and some sausage on the grill outside. Don't worry guys, the cooking video will be coming. It will be coming. Say hello. So we're gonna get these potatoes in the oven and some chicken and sausage. Gonna throw on the grill and hope France doesn't lose. We're hoping for a good match. Hope France doesn't lose the match later against Germany. So we are looking forward to the match later, and I hope France doesn't lose. I'm gonna be sad. You're gonna be sad if France lose the match? Like, mommy, I don't care.
On a la touche pour nous. Ah non, mais là ils sont. Là c'est Verdun là. Hein. C'est Verdun.
Come on, France.
Ah, les gars, il faut tenir, hein. 10 minutes.
10 minutes, allez.
Voilà, regarde.
Voilà.
Ouais, ouais.
Allez, tout droit. Tout
Come
droit.
on.
Tout droit.
Come on.
Tout droit. Ah. Allez. Oh.
Il est excellent, lui. Hein. C'est fini.
C'est fini. Yes.
C'est un beau match, hein.
Yes. Good play, guys. Good play. They won.
Oh, il siffle pas ton con là.
Bon, ben là, je crois que on peut. Ça y est.
C'est fini.
Ah, c'était hors jeu, c'était hors jeu.
C'est hors jeu.
Ouais, c'est fini maintenant.
What's going on?
Là, c'est bon là. Bon, bah.
On peut prendre la bouteille, hein.
C'est bien, hein.
Finals!
Elle nous a porté chance parce qu'elle chante la Marseillaise comme ça. Hein.
Oh, that's it. Champagne!
No, you're gonna do it for me.
No! You're gonna do it.
Oh.
Alexis
de la-
Napoli.
C'est de la.
So France is off to the finals, guys. Hey! Finals, here we come.
Oh,
Babe, pop in the champagne. We're
On
celebrating.
sera champion d'Europe. J'envoie un mail à Jérôme.
Woo!
On l'a vu ce soir, elle nous a mis en difficulté, moi. On n'a rien lâché, comme depuis le début de la compétition.
Et il est bon, je veux bien comme il parle, lui.
Voilà, on est en finale. Après,
Voilà, au final.
c'est dans 3 jours, ça va venir.
Merci pour votre accueil.
On a bien maîtrisé, mais bon.
Alors, dimanche, on sera chacun.
I need another glass though.
C'est ce que je faisais. Je reprends un.
Glass number 2.
Lorsque je faisais de l'athlétisme,
Ouais.
je jouais à un jeu, c'était un jeu de pronostic sur internet, et avec un appelant 08, il nous donnait des codes pour gagner des crédits. Puis à chaque fois j'allais au.
On est en finale, on est en finale, on est en finale.
Well, as you can see, guys, France won the match. Yay!
2.
And he's excited. He's so excited. And it is way past our bedtime. Well, it's way past my bedtime. And our guest has left. He's still on a high. I guess he drank too much champagne. Alright, baby, we get it 2-0. So we had fun this afternoon watching the game, and France played really well. You enjoyed the match, love? Well, I guess that answered it. He's having fun. Well, I wish them all the best in the finals, and I hope they really play as good as they played tonight. And we're looking forward to the finals again. I didn't vlog during dinner. I was so caught up. Can you guys tell I am ready to go to bed?
So catch you next time.
Bye.
Sunday.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.